Alex Jones was just exposed on the witness stand committing perjury when he was cross-examined by the plaintiff's lawyer representing one of the victims of the Sandy Hook school shooting massacre in the defamation case against Alex Jones currently taking place in Travis County, Austin, Texas. Alex Jones had previously claimed under oath that he had no text messages on his phone about Sandy Hook, but it turns out that was a lie. It was perjury. 12 days ago, Alex Jones's lawyers made a mistake and accidentally turned over all of Alex Jones's text messages to the plaintiff's lawyer representing the victim, and Alex Jones's lawyer never made any claim they were privileged and never made any attempt to ask they be returned. Now watch as Alex Jones squirms as he is caught committing perjury on the stand and told for the first time that his text messages were turned over. Watch this.
So you did get my text messages, and it said you didn't. Nice trick.
Yes, Mr. Jones. Oh. Indeed. You didn't give this text message to me. You don't know where this came from. Do you know where I got this?
No.
Mr. Jones, did you know that 12 days ago, your attorneys messed up and sent me an entire digital copy of your entire cell phone with every text message you've sent for the past 2 years? And when informed, did not take any steps to identify it as privileged or protect it in any way. And as of 2 days ago, it fell free and clear into my possession. And that is how I know you lied to me when you said you didn't have text messages about Sandy Hook. Did you know that?
I told you the truth. This is your Perry Mason moment. I gave them my phone, and then...
Mr. Jones, you need to answer the question.
No,
Did you know this happened?
No, I didn't know this happened. But I told you I gave him the phone over.
Just
and
answer the question.
You said in your deposition, you searched your phone. You said you pulled down the text, did the search function for Sandy Hook. That's what you said, Mr. Jones, correct?
And I had several different phones with this number, but I did, yeah. Well, of course. I mean, that's why you got it.
No, Mr. Jones, that's not why I have it.
My lawyer sent it to you, but I'm hiding it. Okay.
Mr. Jones?
Mr. Jones,
please just answer questions. There's no question. Mr. Bankston also only asks questions.
Sure. Mr. Jones, in discovery, you were asked, do you have Sandy Hook text messages on your phone? And you said no, correct? You said that under oath, Mr. Jones, didn't you?
I mean, if I was mistaken, but you got the messages right there.
You know what perjury is, right? I just want to make sure you know before we go any further. You know what it is.
Yes, I do. I mean, I'm not a tech guy. I told you I gave in my testimony the phone to the lawyers before, whatever, and so you got my phone, but we didn't give it to you.
No, Mr. Jones. One more time. And please remember, if you need to assert the Fifth Amendment, you can. I need to know that you can do that. But you testified.
The one thing that Alex Jones was right about is this was a Perry Mason, and now it looks like Alex Jones' civil trial for money and damages for his disgusting defamation may become a criminal contempt matter for committing perjury. I love it when bad things happen to bad people. We will keep you updated with more breaking news right here on the Meidas Media Network, but you got to make sure to subscribe right now to the MeidasTouch YouTube channel. Do it. Hit that button, set your notifications, and spread the pro-democracy message.